Under the category of Most Promising Hotel Management Institute in India goes to Chandigarh College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Landran. The award will be received by Mr. Tarun Tiwari, Head of Department, Chandigarh College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Landran.
Hello everyone. Thanks to Let's Technomedia for this honor, and it feels great to be rewarded on this elite platform of 20th World Education Summit and Awards 2021. This is for me who is taking this award, but on the back end, there are many people who have been able to put me in efforts and get me this award along with the great power of God. Each of you has enabled me to bring ideas into reality. My strength has always increased in dealing with the challenges and overcoming them. I am grateful to take this award with utmost purity and dedication as a refund of my efforts towards my actions. We always aim to work as a family and focus on our dreams, which enable us to work and cope with high expectations. The efforts of our collective team have come to such incredible results, and that is a great achievement of every individual team member. The reward will be a big motivation for the projects coming in our way. In order to do this best and reach more great heights, there will be encouragements and increase our enthusiasm, which makes us eligible to receive rewards on this huge platform of recognition. Chandigarh College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology is emerging as a leading center of excellence in hospitality education and innovation to provide technical knowledge and practical skills and managerial and entrepreneurial competence to our students for serving the ever-growing and continuously evolving needs and requisites of the hotel and hospitality industry. Thank you one and all.
Many congratulations once again, Tarun, and your entire team at Chandigarh College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Landran, the most promising hotel management institute in